DJI fans, get ready, because the latest leak has just sent shockwaves through the drone and camera world. A prototype photo of what's rumored to be the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has surfaced, and trust me, this is no ordinary upgrade. This could be a massive leap forward in compact filmmaking. Here's why everyone's buzzing about it. The first leak teased the Pocket 4 branding, but kept the camera itself hidden. Now the newest leak flips the script completely. This time the branding is gone, but we get a crystal clear look at the camera design. And it looks incredible. The prototype shows two distinct camera modules, a smaller sensor on the left and a larger powerhouse lens on the right. This isn't just for looks. It could unlock depth-enabled features, smarter subject tracking, and even new cinematic tricks we've never seen before on a handheld gimbal. And the design? Slimmer, sleeker, and more futuristic than the Pocket 3. No exposed wiring, no rough edges. It already looks like something you could buy off the shelf. DJI clearly wants this to be more portable while still packing pro-level performance. That smaller left-side module is the real mystery. Many believe it's a depth sensor, and if that's true, we could see massive improvements in 3D awareness, intelligent focus, and subject recognition. Think about how DJI's drones use multiple cameras for advanced flight modes. Imagine that same power in your pocket. Now, let's talk about the screen. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, bigger and brighter than the Pocket 3's. With a rumored 480x800 resolution and 800 nits brightness, creators will finally be able to frame shots outdoors without struggling. Add in a more ergonomic grip and better button layout, and it's shaping up to be both powerful and comfortable. On the imaging side, leaks suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens, promising sharper detail, richer colors, and stronger low-light performance. Expect 10-bit color depth, HDR video, and D-Log-M support. All the tools serious creators need. Autofocus might also get a huge boost, with phase detection and eye tracking rumored to arrive for the first time. Combine that with ActiveTrack 7.0 and we're talking about the smartest, smoothest subject tracking yet. Of course, stabilization has always been the Pocket series' crown jewel. The Pocket 4 could blend mechanical gimbal stabilization with electronic algorithms for ultra-stable shots, even in action-packed moments. Whether you're vlogging, filming sports, or just capturing life on the move, your footage will look silky smooth. And here's the kicker. 4K at 240 frames per second slow motion. That's double what the Pocket 3 could do, unlocking true cinematic slow-mo for handheld creators. Pair that with real-time HDR previews on a faster processor, and the workflow becomes faster, smarter, and more fun. Put it all together. Redesigned dual cameras, a bigger screen, upgraded sensor, improved autofocus, cutting-edge stabilization, and insane slow motion, and you've got more than an upgrade. The Pocket 4 could be a complete game-changer for portable filmmaking. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, DJI is about to redefine what a pocket-sized gimbal camera can do. And here at GadgetVerse, we'll be tracking every leak, every rumor, and every announcement as it unfolds. This is just the beginning, so stay tuned because the Pocket 4 might change the way we tell our stories.